Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Evernote login issues, device and password errors step by step clearly. Open Evernote and carefully read the exact error message shown on the login screen. Check that your internet connection is stable by loading a simple website in your browser. Turn off any VPN or proxy temporarily because it can trigger device verification problems. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic to prevent security token errors. Close Evernote completely and reopen it to clear a temporary session glitch. Restart your phone or computer to refresh network and background authentication services. Confirm you are using the correct login method, either email, Google, or Apple, and do not mix them. If you use Google or Apple to sign in, tap that same button instead of typing a password. If you use email and password, retype your email address slowly to avoid hidden typos. Re-enter your password manually and avoid autofill to prevent wrong or outdated saved entries. Check caps lock and keyboard language because they often cause password mismatches. Tap or click Forgot Password and reset your password using the email you registered with. Open the reset email and create a strong new password that you have not used before. After resetting, return to Evernote and sign in with the new password on the same account. If you get a device verification prompt, open your email and approve the new device request. Check your spam or junk folder if the verification email does not arrive within a few minutes. Request the verification email again and wait a full 5 minutes before repeating to avoid rate limits. Update Evernote to the latest version from the official App Store, Play Store, or Evernote website. If you are on desktop, download the installer again and reinstall to repair corrupted files. Clear Evernote app cache on Android from settings to remove broken local login data. On iPhone, offload the app and reinstall it to refresh the app without random leftovers. On Windows or Mac, sign out of Evernote Web. Then try logging in at Evernote.com to test your account. If Evernote Web works, sign out of the app and sign back in to sync the correct token. If none of your logins work anywhere, verify that your account email is still accessible and active. Try logging in from a different network like mobile hotspot to rule out router or firewall blocks. Disable security software temporarily if it is blocking Evernote connections on your computer. Wait and check Evernote's status page if there may be an ongoing service outage. Contact Evernote support with your email, device type, app version, and the exact error text if the issue persists. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.